Hello, kids. Hello. Okay, we're going to study three words again today. One, two, three. One, two, three. Three words. Okay, so let me screen share with you so you can see. Okay, here. Mm. Can you see? We have here the three words that I want you to know. This word number one, this word number two, and this word number three. Okay? So I'm going to say the word and I'm going to prepare a sound for that word. Okay? For example, prepare, prepare. So when you hear the word pe, 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 it's prepare. Okay? Prepare. Okay? What is this word again? Pe, pe, pe. Prepare. Prepare. The next one is the word future. Future. And then the sound is few, 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 few. It's future. Few. What is the word again? Few. Future. The last one is gather. Gather. So when you hear the word go, 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 it's gather. Gather. Okay? So let's say the word prepare, p, p, prepare, few, 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 future, k, 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 gather. Okay, did you get it? Nice. Okay, that's it, kids. That's it. That's it. And we're going to have our next three words again tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye now, kids.